Extra crispy gobi pakoda. Simple and tasty recipe. We just need only 15 minutes to make this recipe. Let's move to the video. Take some water in a container. Add half teaspoon salt. Boil it. Add cauliflower. Boil for 5 minutes. Remove the water. Keep aside for later use. In a bowl, we can make masala paste. Add 1.5 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder, 3/4 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, half teaspoon salt, add the cooked cauliflower to it, mix it well. Marinate for 15 to 30 minutes. In the meanwhile, we can prepare the besan batter. Take 1 cup of gram flour, 2 tablespoons rice flour, 3/4 teaspoon ajwain powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chilli powder, a pinch of baking soda, half teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Add 1 cup of water and mix it well.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Take a pan, add 3 tablespoons oil. Dip the marinated gobi. And fry the gobi until it becomes crispy. It will change to a light brown color. Now, extra crispy gobi pakoda is ready. Simple and tasty recipe. We just need only 15 minutes to make this recipe.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.